he would only race if one of the four cars in front of him breaks before we get a green flag. As the pace car dives off, you know what that means. We're about ready to get a green flag. Here's your DNS light truck and on a mini stock. A trophy day. And on the lead at the end of lap number 1, Mark Johnson, the Cooper repair specialist. Good battle for second right now. Barber jumping up into that spot. Just momentarily, but taking a longer line around the racetrack. 7 of Evan Matthews. 88 giving it a go is Shane Houston. Followed by the 21 car, Grant Charneski. And yeah, one car spinning coming off too that time. We've already reached the white flag. Right now, Charneski down inside in that 21, trying to get by the 7 of Matthews. Down the back straightaway they go. Your race leader, Mark Johnson, he's going to win it. Here's the battle for second. It's going to be a drag race to the finish, and it will be the 21. Here they come, DNS light trucks. Heat. We're green. Leader Devin Matthews, a Little East Motorsports, Eagle Tire Automotive, RG Welding and Fabrication, Mercury. Devin Matthews, car number 7, out of Tacoma. And who's starting off? Repair specialist in that number 2 spot. Followed by the 21 of Grant Charneski, sponsored by L&E Modeling, Liquid Ice Energy, and South Sound Truck. In the next spot, car number 36 is Kevin Speedway now. Slow getting up to the 5, and something broke on the 5 as Mark Johnson makes that right-hand turn back on the pit. He's all done here on the heat. So the 5, Mark Johnson, a green flag, pit stop. Meanwhile, up front, the 7 of Devin Matthews showing the way for the rest of the drivers of the DNS light truck B heat. Lap number 5. Charneski up on the outside of the 21. Matthews in the 29, side by side racing for second. Are they going to be 3 wide? Yes, 3 wide going into 3. Something's got to give. And around goes Charneski. No, yes, no. Yeah. This is Jeopardy, multiple choice. So here we go, checkered flag. And holding on for the win will be Evan Matthews in the 7 car. McLean will finish up in the number 2 spot, followed by the 66, the 24, Dylan DeYoung, number 26, Tina McMillan, and the 8 car, Josh McMillan. Watch that carefully. Kyle Matthews, 29, Ford green flag, car number 64, Jack Allen, 8 laps makes up the heat. That would be Kevin Pegg in the 66, Tina McMillan in the 26, holding on to that number 2 spot right now. So ladies, get behind that one as she runs in the 2nd spot, looking for racing for third and fourth, as well as fifth and sixth. Meanwhile, your race leader is Kevin Payne in the 66. Tina McMillan is chasing in the 26. Next time crossing the line, we will be at the midway point of the A heat. 4 down, 4 to go. Oh, they got together. Two cars getting together, one getting turned around. That back end of that car got completely up in the air. Race leader Kevin Pegg, sponsored by J.M. Eggleton Company and FP Pallets. Driver out of Eatonville will bring him to the green flag. Kyle Matthews, that's 29. So Lacey in the 14 car. And Kevin Pegg is the race. Kevin Pegg, here he comes out of 4, and he will cross the line in the top spot, followed by Tina McMillan in the 26 and the 14 of Dwayne Lacey.